Chestnuts roasting on an open fire.
Wait, nope, not an open fire. We're gonna roast chestnuts in the oven. Well, maybe it's more like a steam because you have to, well, you'll see. But anyway, stick around. First time for me, that's for sure. Okay, so what you need to do is, before you start the whole process, preheat your oven 425. So this way it's ready. All right, here we got chestnuts, right? So I got, it's about a little bit more than a pound. They were very expensive, so that's why I only got a pound. They were like, I think there's a pound and a quarter. It cost me $9. Yeah, they're not cheap. But I wanted to experience roasting chestnuts. I've never done it before, so I just thought it'd be interesting. And you'll see that it actually looks like a giant acorn. And what we need to do is we need to put an X or a cross on the husk, so they will burst open. Or if you don't put those in there when you roast them, they'll blow up. You got a cutting board. I don't have any small serrated knives, but they say serrated knives are the best to do this. So I guess very carefully I don't know. Well, let me do these and we'll be back. All right, so I have these scored, and now what we're going to do is we're going to put some hot water, very hot water, on these. It'll help soften the husks, so when they're in the oven, they'll open up a little bit more freely. So I have some hot water here. It's really hot, and we're gonna soak these for a little bit. While this is soaking, you're gonna need 1 stick of butter, and we're gonna melt that. And you're gonna need some fresh rosemary. And rosemary is real simple to strip. You just take it in the opposite direction. Butter's in the microwave, melting. We're also gonna need a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. All right, you're going to need some aluminum foil in a baking pan. You're going to want to add the rosemary, mix that up well, and add your butter. Give it a mix, make sure everything's mixed well. Now, you're going to want to lay these chestnuts down in like a single file. You don't want to stack them. I know it's going to be hard because you're going to have to fold the sides. What we're going to do is we're going to fold the edges over and kind of seal it. First, we're going to add the salt and pepper. I know it seems like a lot, but remember, the shells are going to come off. Now bring the edges up and try to make like a basket, and we're going to seal it so this way it locks in some of that steam, but we're going to leave a little bit of an opening. Okay. We're up to 425. We're gonna throw these bad boys in for about 45 to 50 minutes. And then we're gonna let them cool enough to where we can handle them, and then we're gonna peel them. Timer just went off. And I don't know how to tell if they're done or not. I've never done this before. All right, so the husks are kind of open. I think that's it. So we'll let these cool a bit, and then we'll peel them. Can't wait. I never had a chestnut. I can't wait to taste them. So there we have it. See how they're burst open a little bit. They're still warm, but you can still handle them. They feel tender. Okay, let's take one of these. Okay. What was my first chestnut? Nutty, sweet. Don't taste any of that salt that I put in. I might just save some of these and put them in my dressing for Thanksgiving, which is in a couple days. This one doesn't look good either. I guess it's possible to get the rancid nuts. Yeah, there you have it. My first time for chestnuts. Not bad. I kind of like this. So I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and happy holidays. Bye.